Detroit, baby. We're looking for the birds. Tyler, where are the birds?
Ditch the turd, get on a bird, baby.
This is the part of the vlog where we spend the whole night looking for birds that probably don't exist in the winter. So it's just luck.
Birds, meaning the scooters, the electric scooters. You inbreds.
I was looking for real birds, so that's our. You got a bird over there?
It's a spin.
Ah!
Bird, bird, bird.
Bird is the word. Bird is the word.
Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird. You got your credit card?
Yeah, I'm about to. Still looking for the birds, baby. Man, this is sick. It'd be so sick to live down here.
Bet you it's expensive.
Let's see, let's see the credit card info. The app is lying.
Buried.
This is a setup, dude. Is it in the house? Does it say it's in the bush?
It's in this guy's house.
Really? All right, knock on his door.
Dude, how's this work?
Well, you're able to move.
Push the button down.
I'm holding the go. Oh, there we go.
All right. So we couldn't find a bird, but we found a spin. Next best thing, right? What's that?
This sucks because it's not a bird.
Now go back the other way.
Send it. Send it. You are an absolute animal. Let that be known. Oh, I actually almost fell. Just a turd. Get a bird.